Hey guys, excuse the noise, we have some people over. So this is the Tati textured neutrals palette I ordered on launch day. I managed to get in on the order, so that's my order form. I literally just opened it up and then I thought it would be good to show how it's packaged, so that you could see, like, you get obviously this awesome promo shot of Tati, and then some really thick, like, just basic, like, whatever packing paper. I mean, I know I managed to get in on the pre-order for the Jeffree Star Shane collection, but you know, so that's gonna come with crazy paper. But like, honestly, oh, it's heavy. That is really heavy. Oh wow, I have a lot of palettes and I think this is actually my physically heaviest one. Yeah, and then there's just more paper, and then, oh, beautiful is your story to tell, Exos Tati. I like that. I didn't expect that. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And this is still like a super cute box, and like, absolutely. I'm using this for Christmas to confuse somebody. It's delightful. But this is, so it's in a plastic bag. So yeah, the shipping, there was only one shipping to Canada when I ordered, so it comes in a plastic bag inside, which is nice. Seriously, this thing is so heavy. Okay, did it come off now? Yeah. So it came in a plastic bag to stop it from getting all bleh. And then it's still in a slidey soft touch. I don't know if this counts as a unit carton because it's like a slidey one, but it comes in a sleeve, which if you traveled a lot to keep it secure, probably would be really great. It says like volume 1 Tati Beauty on it. It's awesome. I don't really travel a lot, so I'm probably gonna get rid of that. This is the same sort of soft touch matte as like this is. Yeah, and so like even in person, you know, the lettering is darker, this is paler, so there is a differentiation. It's not like a complete, oh no, I'm about to run out of time. No. Okay, my card was full, so I didn't do anything after the camera died. So this is still so heavy. Like, I'm really impressed with how heavy it is. So I'm gonna bring it over here is that too much light? No, I think that's beauty. I think that's beauty. So you get the awesome logo. This is soft touch matte, and then a very strong magnet, so I'm very excited. I don't think that this is going to have a trouble. Let's see. We have the mirror. Ignore me. I just had a shower. So we have the mirror that can flap all the way back, which is great. The plastic protector, and then, because I'm never going to keep this. And then what I really wanted to get was looks amazing, and those little oh, look at it, glitters into sequins. I'm really excited about the sequin shades, because there's often times when I want like matte but like not. I think the scatter in the sequin shades is going to be beautiful. That is fantastic, and as somebody with no color vision, this has been beautifully designed, and I cannot wait to put this on my face, especially this one. You look like a hologram. Oh, I love it. Love it. Okay, so this is the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals, Volume 1. There we go.